Hello friends, today I am going to review basically all the products which are primarily used to catch your some unwanted pests like rat or mouses. So I have laid down all the products that I bought from the market. Primarily I got the product from Canadian Tire as well as from the Walmart. So on my extreme left is if you can see, it's a pest chaser. Pest chaser is nothing but it's more of a kind of ultrasonic electronic device which emits some waves which prohibits or discourages predator to enter your household. I will use each one of them. I will guide you as well that how to use them. On my extreme right side is one of the most common, one of the Mousetrap which kills or snaps the mouses. I'm going to show that as well, how to set it up properly and how to use it. So let's start the process one by one. And let's start with the first one, which I'm going to start here is the one of the pest chaser. Now, if you look into the pest chaser here, I got it from I think from Lowe's. Yeah, Lowe's for around $30. There are 4 pieces for $30, and you can probably set it up in your room or in your aisle. So what it says so in the fine print is that if you set it up in your one of the room, the pets or be it rat, mouses or other small pests will be discouraged, or they will probably won't enter your household or will probably move out of your household. This is effective probably after 5 or 6 days. You have to continuously use it, and the lifespan of this product is around, it says so on the packet, is around for 3 to 5 years. So I have installed it already in my house. So let me show you where to install it and how to use it. So one of the first product that I am going to demonstrate to you is a pest chaser. I got it from Lowe's for around $30. So there are 4 pieces for $30, and this can be used as a night lamp. And the feature of this is that it emits ultrasonic waves which prohibits small pets like mouse to enter your household. So I'm going to, as you can see on my wall, this is one of the unit, and it's around kind of a night time here. So you can make it out, there is no sound. It looks very cool in the dark. So I'm going to demonstrate in the pitch dark how does it look. So this is what it looks in the pitch dark, and this is the way it looks in the bathroom. So in a nutshell, a lot of pros for this pest chaser. But the con is that you cannot hear it out, so you cannot make it out how effective it is working. So probably this will be effective after a few days, 4 to 5 days, and I will share with you in the comments, did it really solve my problem. Now coming next in my line of action is the glue board. Now this glue board is I got it from a CatchMaster, and this is what the standard size is. Now if you want to put a glue board, make sure that you don't put it on the center of the anywhere. You always have to put it on the side, because mouse or the rats always travel on the side of your any house. So make sure that you put the glue board on the side. Now what it does is that first of all, the price, I'm sorry, I didn't mention the price. So this is roughly around $1 a piece, and when the mouse goes over it, it gets trapped. Now if you see the red lines, these are pre-baited, so no need to add cheese or any kind of a bait on top of it. Now the con is that the mouse itself won't die, so you have to effectively dispose it in a very effective way. So not that kind of a fond of it, and but anyhow, kind of one of the option here. Now the third option is this is more of a kind of a very common, the Mousetrap. Now this is very effective. This costs around $1 a piece, so this is around for $2 that I got, and you have to open and set it correctly. There are different varieties of it, but more or less the functionality is same. So I'm going to open it and I'm going to demonstrate how to set it up very effectively. So this is what it looks like. Primarily every kind of a bait is like that only. So it catches small mouse. This is not for a rat. So for the rat, it's more of a bigger one. So you would see a kind of a lever here, and this kind of a spring here, and this is where you keep the bait. Now if you see there is a small opening here, you have to put the bait here. Now what kind of a bait you need to do here? So you can put cheese, or you can put peanut butter. But I got this one from again from the store for around $5, which is called attractive gel bait. So it says so that if you put this bait, it is more effective than other kind of homemade baits. So just for the sake of making sure that I'm getting the best and getting the uh, trapping the mouse very effectively, I got this one. So it's optional, but I will recommend that you can try this one. This may help to attract more mouses in your household, and you will be able to trap them. And this is a very kind of a small bottle. Again, it's for around $5. So I'm going to open. So actually I'm holding my camera as well, so bear with me. So this is around for attractive gel, 29.5 ml for $5 Canadian. So this is okay. It will work for around 30 to 40 doses, which is kind of okay. Now, how to use it, this bait? Many users have asked this one. So I'm going to demonstrate. First of all, the step number one is that you need to put a bait, which is like a peanut butter kind of, like a pea size kind of a bait. Either a drop of this Tomcat bait, or you can put a, what do you call that, peanut butter jelly here. Any kind of a thing that smells good and attract rats, so you can do that. Now, second step is that you need to push this. You can see this kind of a string that snaps. Now, how do we use it? So I'm going to demonstrate it again. How do we need to use it? So first of all, the step number one is that you need to put a small bait here in this small opening here, and you will see kind of a hanging kind of a rod here connected to a small hinge here. Now, then the second step is that after you put a bait here, pull this completely backward like this. You have to pull it backward, and it will be, you have to hold it firm with your thumb, and then take this one, and you will see a small kind of a bulging out thing here. You can see here, and then you have to make sure that it just kind of rests itself here. So I'm not sure whether you're able to see on my screen. Yeah, here you go. This is the way it will look like. So as soon as the mouse comes here, take the bait here, it will bang, and it will snap the life of that small mouse. So I'm going to show you how does it work. So let's check it out. So here you go. This is not a real mouse. This is more of a kind of artificial mouse here. So let's suppose this is more looks like a rat here. So let's suppose this is a rat. It comes here. I am going to eat your cheese. Ooh, ah! And it banged. So this is the way it will work very effectively. I hope you like this demo. Again, when you want to put this Mousetrap, make sure that you put Mousetrap on the corners, not on the between, because generally mouse travel on the side, not on the between. So this is one of the effective way. And the last product is same here. It's more of a killer station here. So let's open the killer station and see how does it look from inside. And yeah, so before I do that, I need to tell you the price. So price for this is around $10 Canadian, and it has 4 pieces, and it says that it is pre-baited, so no need to add any bait here. So I just got it for the sake of buying it, so that there is no loophole left out, and all the mouses are are done from my house. So this is the mouse killer station. So if you can see here, there is an opening here. You have to just open this plastic wrap, and the mouse goes in from here, eat that bait here and get knocked off, and once it is dead, you can just throw it. So it's disposable. So once you are done, so there is a big bait here. I think this is something which has some chemical which will knock the mouse permanently. So this is another kind of an option here which you can use it to help yourself out. So this is the list of products that I have demonstrated today. Again, to sum it up, if you want a very effective way, this is one of the best, one of the cheapest mode of it, but practically you can try whatever option that works for you. So this is one of the better option as well in the long term, because the lifespan is too much. But overall, this product will certainly help you out in eradicating the pests from your household. And I hope you like my video. If you have any questions pertaining to that, or share your experience with me, please do write in the comment, and I will share my experience with you as well. Thank you for liking, and please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.